We begin with this. A $13 million investment from the state of Texas could be a game changer for animal welfare right here in our part of the state. The funding comes as local shelters are struggling with overcrowding and thousands of pets lack basic veterinary care. 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson spoke with a local organization on how this money could transform animal welfare in our area. Juliana?
Animal shelters across Texas have been fighting an uphill battle. Overcrowded facilities, limited resources, and an endless stream of stray and abandoned animals. Now help is on the way in the form of $13 million from the state legislature, the largest investment Texas has ever made in animal welfare.
The 10,000 pets that we estimate that are living in poverty in Temple, and 70% of those have never seen a vet. So we want to make that critical veterinary service equally accessible to everyone.
Amy Dixon directs the Human Animal Support Coalition. She says many of the animals entering local shelters aren't true strays. They're family pets that simply need help getting back home.
About those pets who came into the shelter as found animals, they have families. The majority of those are actually not stray animals, and that's something we can do something about.
The solution, Dixon says, is connecting families with the resources they need to keep their pets healthy and at home. That's where the state's historic $13 million investment comes in.
But if we were able to get some of that money as like seed money, that would be really beneficial in getting a spay-neuter program here in our community.
Dixon's organization is working to build a low-cost spay and neuter clinic.
Our biggest resource challenge was spay-neuter. Accessible, affordable spay-neuter for the folks in our community who are utilizing the human services.
The state funding addresses both spay and neuter services and vaccinations, critical for protecting public health.
There are a lot of folks in our community who an annual $100 visit to the vet for an exam and vaccinations is totally out of the question. So we have to make sure we can reach everyone.
This funding is part of a statewide effort led by the Texas Humane Legislation Network.
This funding is so important to Texas because we are facing a really severe overpopulation issue. Our shelters are very crowded. Our vets are understaffed.
Dixon says creating a sustainable solution will require the entire community to get involved.
We're going to need our leadership buy-in, we're going to need funding, we're going to need businesses, individuals, anyone who is invested in this, which really should be all of us, to come together
Governor
and
Abbott's
create
signature.
a long-term funding
For
plan.
thousands of animals, this investment could mean access to life-saving veterinary care for the first time.